Welcome to Auto Trend. Today the Toyota Crown is a premium sedan manufactured by Toyota, known for its blend of luxury, advanced technology, and performance. First introduced in 1955, it is one of Toyota's longest-running nameplates and has historically been positioned above the Camry and below Lexus in terms of luxury and prestige. Originally designed primarily for the Japanese market, the Crown has recently been introduced to a broader global audience with new models emphasizing modern design and hybrid technology. The most recent generation of the Toyota Crown, introduced in 2022, marked a major departure from its traditional sedan form. It was released in multiple body styles including a lifted crossover-like fastback sedan, a more conventional sedan, a wagon Crown Estate, and an SUV Crown Sport, aiming to attract a wider range of buyers and suit various markets. Toyota also shifted to a global sales strategy, launching the Crown in markets like the United States for the first time in decades. Under the hood, the latest Crown models feature advanced hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. One of the key powertrain options includes the Hybrid Max system, which pairs a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine with front and rear electric motors, offering robust performance with around 340 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive. Other variants feature a more efficiency-focused 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid system delivering a balance of power and fuel economy. These powertrains are matched with Toyota SE CVT or a 6-speed automatic transmission, depending on the configuration. The interior of the Toyota Crown is designed to reflect both sophistication and innovation, with high-quality materials, a minimalist layout, and advanced infotainment technology. Most models come with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch touchscreen display with Toyota's latest multimedia system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available features like a premium JBL audio system, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic roof. Driver assistance features are extensive and include Toyota Safety Sense, which brings adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and road sign assist. In terms of ride comfort and dynamics, the Toyota Crown is built on the TNGA-K platform, which it shares with other Toyota and Lexus vehicles. This platform contributes to a refined ride quality, a quiet cabin, and improved handling. Models equipped with adaptive variable suspension provide a more tailored driving experience, adjusting damping force based on road conditions and driving behavior. The exterior design of the latest Toyota Crown is bold and modern, featuring a distinctive front fascia, coupe-like roofline, and unique two-tone paint options. It breaks away from the traditionally conservative styling of past Crowns to appeal to a younger and more global customer base. With its latest iteration, the Toyota Crown stands as a symbol of Toyota's shift toward electrification and design innovation, while retaining the luxurious and refined characteristics that have defined the model for decades.